How's it going, everybody? It's time to hit the bank. I'm going away for about 5 days. My last session before I have a baby, so just getting all the gear ready. Everything's here. All the other stuff like the bivvies, the bed chairs, all that sort of stuff that's already loaded in the car. I done that last night. But my food bags and my tackle bags, I was just going through rigs, food, bait last night, making some mixes ready for if I need PVA bags, and tied up a couple of zigs and put them on a foam coil ready just in case I want to turn my hand to zig. So everything's prepped. Super excited. I'll be enjoying this session with my brother. And not my brother that done the filming on one of my other videos, my other brother, Arthur. So yeah, he's actually going to wet a line as well today. He's going to fish 2 rods. We're going to have a bit of a social. So we're going to be very similar swim, maybe a double swim, providing there's a tidy one near some fish. But it's only a small pond, little pool. So the fish are, at this time of year, they go through each swim several times a day, just doing loops and stuff. So the weather last night, the weather was mank. Yesterday, all day yesterday, heavy rain where the small streams become looking like rivers, and it was quite torrential. But yeah, no, we're gonna do it. It's not raining now. It's very overcast. We'll just go and take a look outside off the balcony. Right, there we go. So it's overcast, which is really good weather for it. But yeah, I've been looking forward to this. I was supposed to do this session last weekend, but such is life, things come up. And you can't always do what you want and go when you want. So yeah, the only thing from this room, the rods, and then all the other stuff's up the car. I got quite a bit of food. Obviously we're going away for a while, so let me just flip this round. So yeah, we got bait bag, that's full of food. That big long black bag, that's full of food. There's my brew kit, 10 litres of water, tackle bag, bait box, and the spod box underneath, a couple sets of waders, my electronics bag, some spare clothes, and then underneath the pillow there are some pots and pans. But yeah, really buzzed. Can't wait to get out. I've been keeping an eye on the page on Facebook, the members page, and I think about 7 or 8 fish have come out since it reopened on the 26th of May. We are now the 13th, Friday the 13th. Yeah, that's not the best day to start going on a fishing trip, is it? Friday the 13th. So yeah, there's been, I think it's 7. Or was it 9? Yeah, 7 to 9 fish have been pulled out. Nothing massive, because there isn't anything really massive in there. They're all small fish. Well, respective term that is, the small fish for a lot of the big carp anglers. Like I said on one of my other videos, I think they go up to around 27. They're just hoping for the first 30 to come through soon. Now, it's just a new lake that's been taken over, and it will be good. I've seen a lot of small lakes that have been taken over, and they've just slammed a load of smallies in there, little babies, like a pound or 2. I mean, this place has done that. They have put but it's been just I think there was 12 fish, and they put them in. But I think a small amount of smaller fish is good. They chase each other around. I think that's good. But the average sample fish in there is about 17 pounds. So with a good baiting program, they will all climb weight. There won't be any that are, not getting enough food, not getting a look in. Those little ones they put in, I predict will take a long time to get bigger, because by the time they get to the bait, I think the big ones would have already just a couple of sucks and they would waft it all down. You know, I've seen carp take an individual carp, suck up the entire contents from a large PVA bag. They just go over, hoover it up with one suck and just move off. But yeah, I do predict that there'll be, this time next year, there should be a couple of 30s in there. You know, they've got a floating island, they're looking at aeration, you know, they're really putting the effort in. And they have stocked a few nice fish. They have put a couple of 20s in. So yeah, hopefully we can it's just about getting a bend in the rod and having a social. And I've not long been back fishing. I think this is going to be like my 4th session or something like that. You know, since returning to it, because life threw a few things at me and I had to take a major step back from it to try and get things in order, you know, here at home. So it's just about getting a bend in the rod. I've got some really exciting things due. So next year I'm looking at joining a syndicate. I'm still not 100% sure what syndicate I'm going to go with. I've seen a few. There's a couple that I like, but I want a good chance of getting amongst some 40s. And I am just halfway through trying to secure a winter ticket for a lake that's got it's got 360 pounders in it. So megga, 360s, around 1050s, and like 140s. So mega big fish lake. You know, you could easily go there and get a couple braces of 40 pounders or a double take with with 40 pounders. So you can't find many places like that in the UK that aren't extraordinarily hard to get on. But yeah, you know, obviously got Grenville, but again, hard to get on. But I might have just taken an opportunity here to get on this lake that's got 360s in it, so I'll be buzzing. But anyway, enough chit chat. I'm gonna start talking about getting my ducks in a row. I need to sort all this slot out, and then yeah, load the car. I got about an hour's trip to pick my brother up. Well, I'll pick him up, load his stuff up in the wagon, and then tackle shop. Need to nip to the tackle shop. I need to get some PVA bags, might get some pinkies if they have any available. And I need to get a couple of large bags of frozen sweet corn to add to that mix. And then we are good to go. Get in! Yeah, so yeah, I'll leave you with that. And the next time you see me, we will be at the venue. See you then. Hi, how's it going, guys? All set up. My brother's got 2 rods out, one off the lily pads and one out into open water. It's just started raining, and I've just put my 3rd rod out. So there they are. Still haven't got a new Daiwa rod yet because I broke the other one, so I'm just making do with a spare rod that I have. But the 3 rods are out. So let's flip the camera. Oh, got to open that. There we go. So left hand rod is straight out there towards that little patch of lilies there. Middle rod is towards the orange buoy, but the safety ring, but it's literally bang in the middle. So we're about here with it. And then the right hand rod then is down by those green stems. I was going to put the middle rod over by those lilies, but I think there was just too much going on. If I get a take on the left hand rod, I'll move the middle rod over. But yeah, same swim. They're working on the pontoon over there as well, look. So they're putting another one of these over there. And that's been like 2 days worth of work, so fair play to them. But yeah, my brother's fishing one just here and one out here. So that's his setup on the go, nice and neat, lovely. So we're gonna knuckle down here. I've got to look at all this shit. after doing PVA bags and banging all those rigs out, it's definitely time to have a tidy up and yeah, get prepped ready for a take and zip up my bivvy again, and yeah, we'll go from there. So yeah, on the next update I'll just chat to you about what our plans are, how long we're here for, all that sort of stuff. But it's starting to rain, so I really need to that's disgusting, so I need to sort that out. Yeah, hopefully we'll be back on the camera for the next bite, or the first bite should we say. Brilliant. Oh, right guys, little update. So quite a lot of stuff has happened really. So my brother's left hand rod off the point of the lilies, that went off. We didn't hear it as it was such a savage take, and he doesn't have snag ears. It flipped it off the alarm, got stuck in the lilies. We were in my bivvy, it was heavy rain, we couldn't hear it. I went out just to check everything was okay, noticed it was off the rest, hit into it, then passed him the rod because it's his rod, and I went to get my waders because I was going to see how far I could get out, see if I could try and release the snag, and it pinged out itself. He played it for a while, good little battle, proper scrapping, fins coming out the water, it was a proper scrap, trying to get under his other line and that. He's new to the game as well, so it was a big, a big learning curve to play a tidy fish like that for the first time. He's quite good at his river fishing, so he knows how to handle a rod and play a fish, but these are a bit different than trout. So it was a really good learning curve. He done really well, but the hook did pull just before we netted it. So then we put that rod back out on PVA bag with the Midtown Baits pellets and some maggots and sweet corn. A bag full of goodness. I'll show you the mix later. And then my middle rod rattled off from the spot by the buoy, and that has resulted in what I think is a fish known as the big lin, and that's going to be 22.5 if it is the big lin. Well, no, actually it's probably less. It's probably 19 or 20 because they've not long spawned. So we're going to have a look at that now. It's in the sack. Oh, I nearly dropped them. It's in the sling just down there. So it's just been in there a couple minutes. We're just getting the stuff sorted as to where we want it, and then yeah, we're oh, his alarm's just beeped. I don't know what one that was, but yeah, hopefully we'll have some more fish in due course. But we're happy with the 2 takes now. I mean, we haven't. How long we've been fishing? Do you remember what time we set up? So yeah, about 1 o'clock we set up. And what's the time now? 4?
It's 4, yeah.
So yeah, so a few hours we've been fishing. We've had 2 takes, 1 landed. So that's pretty good. So yeah, it's just hoping now some of the other rods start going and we find some more spots that the fish are visiting, but they have recently just spawned. I mean, it's the 13th today. The lake only opened after spawning on the 26th, so if that is the big lin, yeah, she's probably 19 or 20 pound now, but still lovely. I mean, when I caught her before, she had a massive pot belly. So I'm gonna look at the pictures after I've done the pictures here, and then yeah, we'll move on to the next fish then, hopefully wherever or whoever will get that. Probably this one, but yeah, yeah, we'll update you once we've got the linear. Once we got the linear out and we're taking photos of that, you will be there to see that. So I'll lift her up to camera just before we get some stills and pop her back. So yeah, brilliant. See you. Right, so here's the fish. I'm going to take a quick look at her. I'm pretty confident I've had this one before. Like I just said in my last clip, I think this fish is called the big lin. But we're going to take a... I'm pretty confident this is the big lin. But we're going to take a quick look at her and a quick weigh. And then there's a lifted scale on here that I'm going to treat as well. I think it's leftovers from spawning. There she is. There she is. Oh. She's gonna kick off. Come on, girl. Right, ball. You were much easier to work with last time. Let me just give her a bit of a soak in. Go. There she is. She's got a lot of lifted scales and punctures, so we're gonna get some carp care kit on that right away. But I think she's dropped quite a lot of weight, and there's a guy over there, he's also into a fish, so it's all happening. But what a way to start the session. We're just a few hours in of a 4 to 5 day trip, and we've already had 2 takes and 1 landed, so hopefully Arthur gets another opportunity soon. But yeah, nice to see you again, girl. Lovely barbules. Let's flip her over and have a look at the other side. There's yeah, she's giving me a soaking. So the other side is a lifted scale too. There we go. Look at that. If you can take some stills as well, whilst we're there, that would be great.
Yeah, where are you doing it?
Oh, I love carp fishing. Huh? Mwah! Oh, proper silk muncher. Yes. Right, let's get some carp care kit on it and we'll get her back. Okay. Oh, right, well we've just weighed her. 90% sure it's a big limb, but I'll confirm when we get pictures. Again, if you can take some stills whilst we're here as well, but she was 19.5 pounds. It was 19.5 pounds, I just said, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, 19.5 pounds, so she was 22.5 when I caught her last, and they've just spawned. So let's have a look at her one last time. She's very angry. Look at that. Beauty. Right, she's going to kick off, so I'm going to put her back. There she is. Let's see her swim off. Angry carp. Yes. Sorry?
Yeah, a little bit more. And toward me a bit. Yeah. Tilt him up. Yeah, man, that's nice. Down.
Right, so it's up as 4. I'm going to take on the left hand rod. So that's on my spot out here, and managed a common, probably 16 pound maybe. That stick out of the way. It was all tangled in the net, so I've had to cut my rig off. Got it in a right mess. Check that out. So I needed a flash. Yeah, it's cut my well, the hook went through its lip. It's got a bit of a deformed mouth. You'll see in a bit. It's got a bit of a deformed mouth. But yeah, that's a take. The guy over there has had a couple of takes in the night, so they're definitely wanting to come out. But I've had nothing off that right hand rod yet, and that's really surprised me because I've had quite a few fish down here in this bay here. But yeah, we've got a common. We'll have a look at it in sort of half hour, 40 minutes, just have a cup of tea. It's 4:30, so we're not long before it gets light, to be honest. A little darker over there, but the light's coming up, so very, very shortly I'll have some daylight to play with and we'll deal with it then. I'm going to put a new setup on that rod, get that back out there, but yeah, happy days. Nice calming in the net. Art's rods are still on the dance floor. I've still got 2 out there, so there's 4 rods. Probably just set that one, have a cup of tea and then flick it out later. But yeah, it's looking okay for another take. The fish are feeding, so let's see what it brings. So when I get it out, I'll give you an update. Unless one of us catches a fish before then we'll update you then. But yeah, let's go and have a cup of tea, wake up a little bit. Yeah, 2 rods still out. We'll deal with this thing here now. Take your time with the pictures.
They're good.
Happy? Yeah? Well, let's get it weighed and get it back. Lovely.
Okay.
What do you think?
You want to go stroke it, mate?
Yeah, touch him. Oh, this is a slimy one, isn't he? Huh?
Massive throw, fair play.
Right,
That's a hell of a catch,
medicine.
Holy shit. How many hours did that one take?
Well, this one come at about 4:30 this morning.
Yeah?
Probably 10 minutes to play on the rod, right?
Still got a bit of fight in it. He watches it, he loves Jeremy Wade, he watches oh, he loves it. That is a monster, mate. You setting him free, yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah,
he's about to
No,
go
no,
out.
that's alright. He's gonna set the fish free. And let him go. Watch, just watch, man. No.
The blue daytime bite. Oh, say daytime, 10 o'clock. Yeah, just so I've said, in my professional opinion, I don't think we're gonna catch all day. Dee dee dee, off it goes. Get ready to let it run if you need. No? Alright, well, don't reel in anymore now, keep it there. Don't pull too hard.
Really going back out there now.
Yeah, look at him go, tanking it. That's a proper fish, isn't it? Don't worry, let him run. When he starts slacking, you can reel towards him, or he might end up coming swimming to you. No, just that's it. Keep the pressure on. Try not to let him go under your rod. I'm just grabbing my waders. Sorry, just getting my waders on. Keep that tension. fishing, that's it. I'll go in. That's it. Keep it coming. Oh yes, man! Oh. Oh, what is this all about? That's nearly a... I don't know what that is. I don't know if it's a fully scaled mirror or a common. I think it's a fully scaled, nearly a fully scaled mirror, or just... It's hard to see from... Yeah, I think it's a mirror. But it's a chunk. Yeah, it's a nice fish. It's a real nice fish. I guess it was staying here then, are we? That's the 5th bite for you and 2nd landed. You needed that, didn't you? It's fat, mate. It's really fat. Ah, look at that. Look at that. Bunny. That's a PB for you? Oh, get the bucket out. Get the bucket out. Look. Oh my god. For after spawn in this lake, that is a very nice fish. Look at the back on it, on the belly. Oh, and the Midtown baits. It looks like the Invasion wafter. Yeah. Nice. Well done, man. How's it going? So, Arthur's just had a fish, a take out of the blue. In this weather, it is quite hot actually, quite muggy. And I was just telling him how I don't think we're going to catch. It just didn't feel right. The lake was dead, no shows, nothing. Nothing to go off at all. And he's had those out all night. And I refreshed mine this morning. And his has just gone off. And it's a fish that I've wanted from here. Again, they're not massive in here, but you know, they go to upper 20. But there's a fish in here that's, I think it was last quarter, like 21. And that's a fish called Jagger. It's like it's almost a fully scaled mirror. It's got a bit of a, like, loads of scales all on the top half, and then his belly's open. So we're just we're just setting up the picture shot. He's just in the sling down there. We're going to bring him over here, and this is where we're going to do the pictures. Right here. We got a bucket and carp care all ready to go. And it's going to be a little something like that, but with a fish in the middle. So yeah, let's get back to it. Kind of like, yeah, to go all the way down a bit. Use that to cover him when he's about to flip. Nice belly on this one. Never thought. That's a scale. We'll treat that, okay? Yeah. Right, okay, so you know what you're doing? The old... Yeah. Go for it, man. He's right. Hold him, yeah, a bit higher. Tilt him up a bit more, there we go, and higher.
Huh?
That's it. Art, personal best carp. Lift him up one more time. Jagger at 21 pound. How do you feel, boy?
Good.
Yeah, that's a tidy one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Go on then, boy, let her go. Turn her around to the lilies. Let her off. Or him, I think. I couldn't quite get it.
Good start to the day.
Look. Well, dude, good effort. Oh God, I got some pictures for you. Let's go. Nice, man. How's it going? So, update. The stats are five fish in it. Art. It's 5 fish you've had in it landed. You've had 3, I've had 2, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Arthur's had a 15 pounder, a 21 pounder and a 10. And I've had 16 and a quarter and a 19 and a, was it 19 and a half?
Yeah.
I think 19 or 19 and a half. So yeah, just got my, open this up, just got my bags on the go, ready to get out. There's a guy over there that's just setting up, so I'm waiting to see, because I know a few little spots out here so I can fish around him, just saves head work. So yeah, after Arthur's PB, which I would have put up, or if I haven't, it'll be on the screen now. Yeah, what a fish, hell of a moment, nice moment to share. Fought him really well, as you know, proper pulled. It was a good scrap Jagger, wasn't he?
Oh yeah, pretty nice.
Yeah, he was a proper nice little fight on him. So that was exciting, being his second fish and it's 21 pounds. So that's he's in the Chinese club already. That's pretty good. But yeah, wait for this guy to pick his spots. He's already chosen one and put it out with the bait boat. So he's just got 2 more spots to find, and he's definitely here for the night. He's bivvying up now and he's got his bed chair and all his gear, so he's here for a little bit. So yeah, looks like I'm changing my rod positions quite a bit, but maybe that'll be for the best and get me a bite tonight. But yeah, until then, see you on the next update. Arthur's just had a bite on his right hand rod. Nice fish. Lovely fish. Don't know what way he's there. 16, 17 pound maybe, 16 pound. Don't know, not sure. Nice fish though. He's just grabbed the sling. It's cold today. Cold tonight even. Yeah. Nice. We'll have a look at it when it's on the bank. You've just landed one, haven't you?
Yep.
And then my right hand rod's just gone. Yeah, did say earlier it was looking good for a bite tonight. Could have done with a bit more wind, which we didn't get. But we've had 2 bites. We got one in the sling and one on the end now. Very good. Will it come a bit closer than the other? So I don't have to shot. I'm going over my other rod. Stop trying to get over there. Do that. Nice flurry of action though, innit, for our last night. What's our luck? Hopefully it stays on. There it is. So close to my other rods. I'll just put the other beam on. Don't think it's particularly big. The common. Could you grab us a net? I'll do it with the camera. Stand by. Nice. It's not that big. I think yours is bigger. Yeah, yours is bigger. I don't know what that is. 12 pound? Don't know, 13 pound?
Yeah.
Don't know. Common. It's a fish, mate.
Yeah, it is a
Final
fish.
night, fish each. There's 4 fish each, isn't it? And
Yep.
you thought you were getting away from me. Huh? Hey,
Oh well, still got time.
shine up. You thought you was getting away from me. And I've come back with one.
Yep.
It's 4 all. And you've still got a little bit of time
Yeah.
for the decider. I prefer yours. I like your mirror. But she is still a fish. Right, let's get the hook out of this one. We'll get the hook out of this one. Pop this one in the sling. And then we will get everything ready to do some photos and a quick video of us with these fish on the mat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anything to do?
Lift the tail up a bit.
Yeah.
He's nice, isn't he?
He is.
Alright, you can drop him down, turn him round. Soak in.
Yeah. It's good.
Yeah. That's it. Go on there. Okay. Nice little common. Dirty little thing, smaller than yours.
Yeah,
So
not by much.
nice to get a couple of bites together though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Beauty. Nearly. Right, let's get a couple of pictures of this one and a picture of both of us together, and then we'll slip it back. Right on. Let's get some extra light on that. I think mine was about 13–14 pounds. Cruising away. Look at that. We've got another one, mate.
Yep.
That was out the blue, wasn't it? Lovely bending these rocks, man. I think it's a mirror. Oh, no, common, is it? Yeah, common. Only a little one. Yeah. Last minute fish.
Yeah, just relieving.
I wonder what we're naming this fish.
Oh yeah.
Do I speak so soon?
I can't even snip your line now.
Oh, he's got one final hurrah in him. Oh, what's he called, boy?
The decider.
Oh, the decider.
Yeah.
Last knock-ins. Go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ah, yes! That, my man.
Oh my god.
One final one. And, have a quick look at him. Only a little baby, is he? Yeah, but similar to my last one.
Yeah.
Maybe a bit smaller. Result, right? Well, let's get him unhooked and put him in a sling, and then we'll sort him out in just a minute. Click this focus button. I'm not going to weigh this one. I think it's going to be I don't know, 11, 12 pound maybe.
Move this a bit more, like that. Yeah, it's better. Perfect. And then if you can go down a bit. There you go. Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Can you lower yourself down a bit more?
No.
No. Oh, that's alright.
I'm a bit crooked back. Lovely look then, isn't he?
It looks lovely.
Quite a few of these fish have got lice in it by the look of it. You happy there, boy?
Yeah.
Yeah? See the other side? See the other side? Lovely. Right little fish. Beautiful. Let's get some photos and slip it back. The decider.
The decider, yeah.
This common is called the decider because we were neck and fish, 4 fish each. And this has just scored me the fifth capture, so but there's still time for you to get it back in
There is, yeah.
the draw. So happy days. Right, it's the end of the session now. It's 1 o'clock on a Tuesday. We're going to reel these rods in, take all this stuff back to the car park, and we're calling it a day here. And our next be out now, probably end of September, possibly early November. I'm going to be at home for a few months with baby and with my partner, and then once that's settled down, we got a routine, I'll be back in the bank, and dare say you guys will be coming with me. Now I've Arthur joining me on a few more sessions, so I'm going to have maybe a few versus vlogs when we go face to face, because we've kind of been doing that this trip, and it was on the death, wasn't it? It was like one
close.
fish each, then another second fish each, and third fish each. And then last night we had a pair together, didn't we? We had a fish each,
Yeah.
like right next to each other. And then this morning I just managed to get the 5th fish out the bag to sort of secure the lead.
Yeah.
But no, it was your first session, wasn't it? And you've had a hell of a time. Caught Jagger at £21, biggest fish of the trip. Hell of a fight as well, wasn't it? So good scrap, good fun all round. But it's time to reel in.